Moving to America, moving to America, moving to America. And we're packing the bags. So I said I wasn't going to take this unless I found every single piece, and I really did. So we're gonna take it.
Okay, I have the crush, and now you just hit me over here.
You don't pretend to be hurt, because it'll be bad for you. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So,
You don't hurt me, brother. Come say hi to Zoha. Calmly.
this is too much stuff to take with us on a plane, so we're gonna get another suitcase. I have been painting all down here, so I painted all the way around, but we need to paint the middle and the top. And I have this left, so we do need another suitcase. Okay, I just commented the countertop for Micah countertop, which is unusual in Israel, but yeah, that's what they have. These socks do not have matches. Actually, this might be a match. That might be a match. These socks do not have matches, so they're gonna go in the garbage, unfortunately, and they can have cat hair and everything else on them. So, yeah, whew. Okay, Grandpa is leaving right now. We just said goodbye to him. Yeah. And, oh, Hadar is boxing up his special thing. His special thing. From his squadron, his gift, and he's gonna mail it. And we're gonna put this in another suitcase. All right, so Hadar made it home. They wouldn't sell him a suitcase because it didn't have a UPC code, and that was the only one they had. So, story of our lives.
More Daddy.
Yep.
You can't really even see it, but
Yay!
this wall is yellow. You can see it here.
I see it.
Yeah.
So, he is painting this. I've already mopped and swept in here. Abigail, don't touch anything, okay? Don't touch anything. Okay, she got dookie all over her shoes. She got it all over her pants and her shirt, and we had to throw it away and give her a bath. So that was great. We threw her whole outfit away. Arg. Anyway, I'm going to mop in here. I think he's going to do one more coat around because there's still like where the couch was. Yeah, his shirt has got a doggy on it. All right, and this is completely done. This is all clean. I'm just cleaning out the cabinets right now, like washing them. It's really echoey in the house, so I'm gonna step out here. I need a shower, bad. I am so gross right now. I've been cleaning all day, packing, loading up stuff, painting trim on the floor, getting on hands and knees, washing the floor. So the floor, this floor's done, that floor's done. Need to do that floor in there. Right now, what I'm gonna do is take the stuff outside and put it in the car. We have to repack our bags tonight because we weren't able to get another suitcase from the store. So we'll probably have to repack our bags. We'll see. But we still have some more stuff to take with us. We gotta pack up the cat. She's in the bathroom. I need a shower. And of course, Hadar just told me that Grandma and Grandpa tonight, they don't have hot water, so he's trying to fix it right now so that we can take showers over there. It's like every time we move, it starts pouring down rain. Yeah, stuff like that.
Hey, you don't hit me.
But rain is not going to affect us today because all of our stuff is gone pretty much. Final thoughts?
Get out of here.
Yeah, honestly. All right, he's been having the screen door open all day, which was really nice, actually. How about a tour? Yeah. There's our living room.
First time the house looked that way.
Yeah.
When we came in here, we didn't look like that.
No, and plus it was moving day and not good, and it was rainy. Kitchen. Left them a little comment. Don't have room for it. Okay. Bathroom. Left them some hand soap. Left them some toilet smelling good and stuff. All right. Utility room, left them some cleaning stuff. So we can't fit it into the car. Here's our bedroom. That's where the computers were. Yeah. All right, not very lit in here. This one's lit. And here's the kids' room. It's a very small house, but it was good enough for what we needed, for the amount of time that we needed it. And it's all freshly painted and it is white. All right, we're gonna turn the lights out and say goodnight. Okay, wow, that is super terrible lighting. Grandma and Grandpa were not able to get the hot water, so we're gonna go to Great Grandma's house and take a shower and get ready for bed. It is 8 o'clock, and I figured it would be. I am so tired. I woke up very, very early this morning, and we didn't go to sleep until late because Hadar had the cookout last night to say goodbye to his friends at work, and it was at base, and pretty much all the people that he worked with came there. So tired. So tired.
Sleep, be quiet.
Oh, you're gonna go to sleep?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Okay. Let's not look at that.
Abigail woke me up really early by jumping on the bed. That's why I'm tired.
She did, but you woke up at like 9 o'clock, so you woke up way after everybody else. We got Kitty back here. We had to throw her cat litter box away because we had no room for it. We have cat litter at Grandma and Grandpa's house, so maybe we can just like get a makeshift pan for her somehow to poop. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. Anyway, we have the cat box that she's gonna go on the plane in at Grandma and Grandpa's house, so that's good. Grandpa went and picked up the bike for us today. Thank God, because where would we put it? Literally in a box. Like, we would have to put it on top of the car, and we gave away our straps, so that wouldn't work. Kitty doesn't like being in a car, as you know. She's gonna have a hard ride. We do have a little catnip left over. I don't know if I'm allowed to bring it or not, but I have it, and maybe I'll just give it to her tonight. Let her have some catnip tonight in a little pouch that we got from Tunnel Cats. She sent some catnip. So Hadar is shipping off his present that he got from the squadron. It's a really nice shadow box of the F-35, of which he was working with. So it's really special, and I hope that it gets there without getting broken, because he had to put it in a smaller box, and because the woman wouldn't accept it. He's been to the post office 3 times. It's 8 p.m. right now, and she wouldn't accept it. Anyway, I've talked enough. We are tired. We need to get rest before we fly tomorrow, and we're flying to America tomorrow. This is probably, like, it hasn't hit me yet what we're doing. I have not let myself think. Like, I've looked for houses, you know, for 2 years, but I have not let myself think about stepping off that plane and being in America and seeing my family. So that's going to be a big big, huge change, a big relief. Very much excitement for everyone. However, you know, we're leaving our grandma and grandpa here. So hopefully they will be able to visit us a lot in America. It's going to be a very sad day tomorrow, but...
How in America are they going to visit us?
On a plane, hopefully.
Really?
Yeah, they can come on a plane.
With Eliana too?
If she is able to, yes. Absolutely.
And she loves
And
me.
we will have them all over for as long as they want to stay. All right, so we will see you tomorrow. We have a long night ahead of us.
I needed to be quiet.
Our car is packed full of stuff.
Yeah, even my legs.
And we're not going to be able to do this very easily, so... Okay, bye. Yay!
I know it's...
What? 1 second. 1 second. I have something to show everyone. This one. This is the cat collection. And the Pikachu, because we just got that from Grandma.
How to do it. That's how to do it. The new trick.
Okay, Rafael's gonna do a trick now.
Alright, now here's the hardest level I'm going to do. With a cat in my hand, cartwheel. Cat cartwheel, that's what it's usually called.
Yes, cat cartwheel. Let's go.
Catwheel. I need a smaller cat because I might get hurt like that.
Okay.
So I need a smaller one. And ready, set, go.
Whoa.
Oh man.
You hurt yourself?
Yeah, my knee.
Are you okay?
Yeah, we shouldn't do that with a cat. We need the teeniest cat ever. And here's one. You're not supposed to do that either, Abigail. Let's try again.
Hey, Abigail, do you have the drama? Is there a drama that we need to know about?
No.
What happened?
No.
No? No drama? Okay.
I love this cat. And here is the easiest level of cat time with the tiniest cat ever.
Mm-hmm.
I got it out of your lap over there.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Abigail, put that down. That's not your cat. Go get a different dog. Not a cat. No.
Abigail, go get your... Okay, you can have George.
It's my cat. Too.
Yeah.
This might be dangerous.
That's George. This is George's superhero. Okay, go ahead.
This might be dangerous, so I'm gonna put it in here. And that's gonna be better.
All right, go ahead.
I think I might drop it in something.
Go ahead, let's see.
Alright.
Good job.
No.
Good job.
Alright, now with no hands, it's the hardest. The cat needs.
Ah, kitty.
I'm playing with the tank. Real mess. You're loading.
Ah.
Comment if you can. Share the videos.
Last bike ride video, and it's fitting that I'm no longer a soldier.
Of the McDonnell F4 fan served in the Israeli Air Force. Wow. Now it's time to take this new beginning and new chance